Okay, this is www.wetttraderllc.com. This is going to be the forecast for next week, which will be Friday the 29th. It's going to be at the end of the month, folks. The end of the month. So let me show you where we've been this month, talking about the end of the month here. If we're going to be forecasting for January 29 on Friday. Today's January 22nd. It's a minute to 4. The market's about ready to close. Got a nice strong close here. But let's talk about the monthly, folks. Look at this. See, S's are support levels. Okay? There's support levels. R's are resistant levels. Sell, buy, average. Now, if I'm timing this off of a longer chart, you're going to get a better result. So, let me click this way. There we go. I had it backwards. Okay, here we go. So, we penetrated 1924, obviously, this month. Look at the low, 1804. Look at S3, 1810. As long as we stay above 1810, that is going to be support. Unfortunately, we do not have a retracement number there yet. We'll see. We did have some at 18. We penetrated it a little deep, but it's a longer-term number. So now let's go down to some shorter time frames and show you some exciting things for next week, guys. You want to make some money? I'm going to give all you guys the trade of a lifetime right here. Big stuff happening. If you listen to the week ending January 22nd, you can see that we had a breakout day. I believe that this is a key reversal to the upside, which what that means is previous week, low is 1849. This week, we made a lower low. This close is 1876. This close is 1899. We made a higher close, but a lower low. So what that tells me, folks, is right now, I'm not saying 2 months from now, but right now, we have more buyers than sellers in this market. So we were looking for a possible just a short bounce. I still think we got to go a little bit lower, but we might go a little bit higher before we go a little bit lower. I don't know, but let the market tell us, right? So, but here's one thing I do know. This 1870, it's a big range. Whatever happens first, if it comes to this 1936, I would sell. If it comes to this 1870, I would buy. It's going to offer some support here, which is right near the previous week, which would give us a nice close for the month. We still got, like I said, 1936, 1924 is just S2 on the monthly. So if we come here, that's still nowhere to be found. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, that's an area that's very, very easily obtained. 1936, we're going to start having some sell numbers here, folks. So I would be buying this weekly PP. I'm not sure what day of the week it's going to happen. I'll try to keep you up to date. 1870 plus or minus 6 ticks. So if you see anything setting up plus or minus 6 ticks from 1870, this is 1885. So if we hit S1, it's 1869. Now see, that's another good trade right there, guys. You got support here. We got the weekly PP here. Boys, you see a pattern? You see a pattern? I'm telling you, all we got to do now is look and see where we're going to land on that 1860. 1870. Now, the thing we got to watch, we have support here, obviously, 1851. Here, 1865. We'll see what these moving averages do. But this whole time, this 1840, this the red, the green is 18, the red is 40, stayed lower. The one I really like, guys, which is one I really, really like, that you really need to check out. You need to use, I like to use it a lot. The 200 gives me a really good idea what's really going on. So when you put that 200 on there, Let me see if it had enough data on this one. I don't think it might now. Let's go on a different one. The 60 on the 200. You can see your levels of support and resistance. See, so it looks like we might be trying to bottom out here a little bit. But like I said, I still think we're going to retest this area. That would be a good buying opportunity. And in my opinion, it would be worth the risk. It would be worth the risk if I wanted to try to get it. Let's see what this looks like here. Let me see if I see this data here. I don't see it on here. But anyhow, so I would try to see if I could buy that area there. Let's pull up this daily chart. I'm a visual guy. We take a look at the daily chart. And let's take a look at the weekly really quick so I can show you guys visually what we got going on here. Here we go right here. This is good, 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 good. Here's going to be your first line of resistance is 18. This is where we're going to be selling. And if you look at this moving average is 1838. You see that? 1938. I apologize. 1938. That's the 18. Right? Look at this one. We're far away from anything, although these will come down. But this is that key reversal I was telling you about. So what it's saying here, this could be this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. We're going to bounce up in this area a little bit, guys. We're going to bounce. So I want to be buying this one or selling in this area here. And then we're going to be banging around a little bit. And if you check those numbers, they actually line up pretty good because on the weekly, our PP here, we want to buy plus or minus 6. Here we want to sell 1936. You look on the daily, we're at 1938, 1999. These are going to be areas of resistance. Areas of resistance, folks. So, www.wetttraderllc.com. Get a demo. Turn it on. Make some trades. Check it out. Have any questions, call. You could be doing this very easy. Very easy, folks. Very easy. www.wetttraderllc.com. Thank you.